Imagine you're the data engineer responsible for an enterprise running on Microsoft Fabric. Every day, massive amounts of data arrive from different sources. Business teams expect real-time insights, analysts need reliable data sets, and management wants secure, scalable, and cost-effective solutions. Now, the question isn't simply, how do we move data? It's how do we design an efficient data engineering solution using Microsoft Fabric? That's exactly what the Microsoft Fabric Data Engineer Associate Certification is designed to test. In this video, you'll answer 5 realistic exam-style practice questions, each followed by a detailed explanation to help you understand not only the correct answer, but also why the other options aren't the best choice. So, pause the video, think like a Microsoft Fabric data engineer, and let's get started. Question 1. A retail company collects sales transactions from hundreds of stores across the country. The data must be stored in a centralized location where data engineers, analysts, and data scientists can all work with the same data without creating duplicate copies. Which Microsoft Fabric feature should you recommend? A. Power BI Semantic Model B, Microsoft OneLake C, SQL Database D, Azure Blob Storage. Correct answer. B. Microsoft OneLake Explanation. OneLake is the unified storage layer of Microsoft Fabric. It provides a single logical data lake for the entire organization, allowing multiple Fabric workloads, including Lakehouse, Data Warehouse, Spark, and Power BI, to access the same data without duplication. Because all teams work from a single source of truth, organizations reduce storage costs, improve governance, and simplify collaboration. The other options either serve specific workloads or don't provide Fabric's unified storage capabilities. Question 2. A company needs to process hundreds of gigabytes of raw data every night. The transformation requires distributed computing to improve performance and reduce processing time. Which Microsoft Fabric component is the best choice? A. Spark Notebooks. B. Power BI Dashboard. C. SQL Endpoint. D. Data Activator. Correct answer. A. Spark Notebooks. Explanation. Spark Notebooks provide distributed processing across multiple compute nodes, making them ideal for large-scale ETL, data cleansing, feature engineering, and machine learning preparation. Unlike traditional SQL processing, Apache Spark can efficiently handle massive datasets in parallel, significantly improving performance. Power BI dashboards visualize data. SQL endpoints are optimized for querying, and Data Activator focuses on event-driven automation rather than large-scale data processing. Question 3. A financial organization wants to automate daily data ingestion from SQL Server, Azure Storage, and REST APIs. The solution must support scheduling, monitoring, retry policies, and minimal coding. Which Microsoft Fabric feature should be used? A. Data pipelines. B. Power BI reports. C. Warehouse views. D. Spark SQL. Correct answer. A. Data pipelines. Explanation. Data pipelines are designed for workflow orchestration. They automate data movement, schedule recurring jobs, monitor execution, handle failures with retry mechanisms, and integrate with multiple data sources. This significantly reduces manual work while improving reliability and operational efficiency. Question 4. An organization wants business analysts to query data using SQL while data engineers continue working with the same files using Spark. The company wants to avoid maintaining separate copies of the data. Which Microsoft Fabric architecture best meets this requirement? A. Create multiple SQL databases. B. Use a lakehouse. C. Export CSV files daily. D. Create separate Power BI datasets. Correct answer. B. Use a lakehouse. Explanation. A lakehouse combines the flexibility of a data lake with the performance of a data warehouse. It allows SQL users and Spark users to work on the same underlying data without duplication. This architecture improves collaboration, reduces storage costs, and simplifies enterprise analytics. The other options create unnecessary data copies or don't support unified analytics. Question 5. A company notices that some scheduled ETL jobs occasionally fail. The data engineering team wants to quickly identify failures, review execution history, and troubleshoot pipeline issues. Which Microsoft Fabric capability should they use? A. Excel reports. B. Pipeline monitoring. C. SQL views. D. Power BI dashboard. Correct answer. B. Pipeline monitoring. Explanation. Pipeline monitoring provides detailed execution history, runtime information, dependency tracking, failure messages, and retry status. These built-in monitoring capabilities help administrators quickly detect issues, reduce downtime, and ensure reliable production workloads. While Power BI can visualize operational data, it isn't the primary tool for monitoring pipeline execution. The DP-700 Microsoft Fabric Data Engineer Associate exam is more than a technical certification. It's a test of your ability to design modern, scalable, and enterprise-ready data solutions. The more scenario-based questions you practice, the more confident you'll become in selecting the best solution under real business constraints. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft certification practice sessions. For additional DP-700 practice questions, detailed explanations, and full-length mock exams, check out the link in the description and visit Pass4Future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Microsoft certification video.